So hello friend, this video gonna be very experimental video as traditionally we are creating the tutorials regarding how we can develop the application. Today we are going to experiment something new. So what we are going to do today, we are going to pick any one random project from the MIT's community and we are going to redesign that application because I am seeing that on the MIT community people are building very good kind of application but they are not good in the UI designing. So what I think you should contribute something to motivate developers to create a beautiful UI design on the MIT App Inventor too. So I hope this experiment you will like. If you like this video then please give a thumbs up and please share your valuable feedback if you are liking or not so that I can continue this series. I can create another video on this same topic as well. We are going to pick any random project from the MIT's community and we are going to redesign that application or games whatever it could be, and then we are going to post back to the MIT's community and we will take the response from the other. So let me introduce myself. I'm Devendra Koi and you are watching Pixelated YouTube channel powered by Ash Store. So without any ado, let's start today's video. Firstly, we will search the MIT App Inventor community. So I already searched that term. After opening the community, what we gonna do? We will sort and select the app showcase. So after selecting app showcase, we are going to see the many application that is uploaded inside the app showcase category on the MIT App Inventor community. So as you can see, the first application that is Love Calculator app that is uploaded by me. In previous video, I will created the how you can create a Love Calculator application, and here also I created very minimalistic design for that Love Calculator application. So let me show you how this look like. After coming here, as you can see how this beautifully designed that Love Calculator application. So if you want the AI file for this project, then you will get inside the description box and you can watch the tutorials too, like how I build this application. So let's back to the point and let's search the application that we supposed to redesign today. Okay, so I'm just telling now for the video which application we are going to redesign today. As you can see, 15.3k views for this project, and also we got the AI file for this project. So this is the best selection for our today's topic. This is not application, this is a game. Okay, I already downloaded the AI and imported on the MIT App Inventor. So now what we gonna do, we jump to the second part of this video. We going to create the reference UI design for this game. Okay, let me show you how that reference design look like. So here you can see I created many reference image by using the AI. So if you want to know how I create the reference UI design, so I will create another video. I think I should create the complete crash course for this topic. Let me show you a reference UI designs is look like. So let me tell you, I like this design because this design is looking very pretty. You know what is the main point over here? We need to create every asset by using reference UI design. So let me show you. This is also looking very pretty and minimalist. So if you want, you can go with that. That's the catch you need to learn. So what we going to do, we're going to pick one harder design. So we will pick this design because I think this design is I think harder. Try it on the MIT App Inventor. Oh, here we got the reference image for our UI design. So now let's move the third part here. What we gonna do, we gonna create the asset that we are seeing inside our reference image. So what you need to do, you need to open the ChatGPT. After opening the ChatGPT, you have to upload your screenshot. As you can see over here, I have been uploaded my reference UI design that I got. We will create the single asset by telling ChatGPT to provide us. So now next question arises, how we can get the asset file from this reference UI design, because this is an image. So how we can get the asset out from it? So what we can do, we will take the help of ChatGPT to get that asset. So let me tell you how I done this. So first I went to the ChatGPT and I tell him I want this leaf. Then ChatGPT give me leaf. Here you can see. Then I told ChatGPT that I want the logo. Then ChatGPT give the logo for me. Like that way, I generated each and every asset you are seeing in this reference image. Now I've been generated all the asset that required for this project. So let me create the folder, then I will show you how we can actually redesign on the MIT App Inventor.